In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on a TradingView chart. This is a handy feature that allows you to view your chart data in a different currency, providing flexibility and clarity as you analyze market trends. To start, let's locate the price scale on your TradingView chart. This is typically found on the right-hand side of the screen. It's where all the prices are listed in alignment with the chart, helping you track value changes easily. Next, within this price scale, you'll notice a currency button. This button displays the current currency that the chart is using. The currency displayed here is crucial because it determines how the price data is presented on the chart. To proceed, click on this currency button. Doing so will open a drop-down menu showcasing various currency options that you can select from. This menu is your gateway to viewing the chart data in different currency formats. Once the menu is open, scroll through and select your desired currency. As soon as you make a selection, you'll see the chart automatically recalculate and update the price data to reflect your chosen currency. This immediate conversion makes it both intuitive and efficient to see exactly how your financial instrument's values translate into other currencies. Here's something important to keep in mind. This feature is purely for data display conversion. It will only change how the prices appear on your chart. The actual trading currency of the symbol you're analyzing stays the same. All foundational information about the financial instrument remains unchanged. Moreover, while you can visualize and analyze price data in a new currency, it's vital to note some limitations. Unfortunately, you cannot create new alerts or place orders directly from the converted chart. Any existing alerts and orders that were set in the original currency will continue to function, but the converted data view doesn't support these actions. Additionally, any drawings or objects you choose to create while in this converted view are specifically tied to that currency-adjusted perspective. If you switch back to the original currency, these drawings won't appear. They are retained strictly in the currency context in which they were created. Another feature that's unavailable when using the converted currency mode is the bar replay. This tool, which allows you to review and analyze past market movements, cannot be used when you're viewing data in an alternate currency. In conclusion, while this feature offers great flexibility for different currency views, it's crucial to understand its limitations. With this knowledge, you can make more informed decisions as you monitor and analyze your trading opportunities on TradingView. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate and utilize TradingView more effectively.